Most people don't know that the total market cap of Tether, also known as USDT, recently exceeded $90 billion. That's enough money to buy every single ticket for the Super Bowl for the next 850 years. Today, I will be shifting my viewing glasses to the dollar of the crypto world, the biggest stablecoin of them all, Tether, aka USDT. Now, before I take you on this adventure into the world of Tether, let me set the stage. In the grand theater of cryptocurrencies, most coins are like improv artists, wildly unpredictable and always ready to surprise you. Your Bitcoin might be worth $20,000 today, $25,000 tomorrow, and when you wake up the next day, it's $17,000. In other words, cryptocurrencies are wildly volatile digital commodities. Tether, on the other hand, is that stagehand who's always there, always reliable, steady as a rock, and always, well, stable. Tether, or USDT, is a type of cryptocurrency known as a stablecoin. It's called a stablecoin because it's pegged to a stable asset, in this case, the US dollar. Imagine having a wild pet like a tiger, but you tie it to a post so it doesn't run amok. That's Tether for you, the pet tiger of the crypto world, tied to the sturdy post of the US dollar. This pegging to the US dollar means that one Tether token is, in theory, always equivalent to one US dollar. It's like having a digital dollar in your pocket, but one that is unrestricted to move across borders without the stifling hands of banks and governments choking its movements. And who doesn't want that? Tether plays a crucial role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It offers a bridge between the traditional fiat world and the exciting frontier of digital currencies. It's like a translator between two people who don't speak the same language, or the friend who introduces you to that cool indie band before they hit the stage. But enough with the metaphors, let's dive deeper into how Tether actually works, shall we? Now that we've got the basics covered, let's dive into the nuts and bolts, or should we say coins and tokens, of using Tether. First off, Tether, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, is not mined. It is issued by Tether Limited, a subsidiary of Hong Kong-based Infinex Inc. To get your Tether, you need to simply have your USD and be willing to exchange it for the token on various cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, Bitfinex, and Kraken. To buy Tether, you simply need to create an account on one of these exchanges, deposit funds via bank transfer or debit card, and then purchase your USDT. It's as easy as buying a bagel, except you don't eat Tether, and I wouldn't recommend trying. Once you've got your shiny new Tether tokens, you need a place to store them. Much like you wouldn't leave your precious bagel out for the pigeons, you don't want to leave your Tether tokens unprotected. That's where cryptocurrency wallets come in. There are many types of wallets to choose from: online wallets, hardware wallets, and even wallets on your smartphone. Just make sure you pick one that's secure and reputable. And what about using Tether for trading other cryptocurrencies? Well, while you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with your fiat via several steps, USDT makes the process shorter by giving you a crypto that has the same purchasing power as your fiat. Almost all existing cryptos have trading pairs against the USDT, making it the most accepted means of exchange of value in the crypto space. Now, you might be wondering, why all this fuss about Tether? What makes this so special in this sea of cryptocurrencies that seems to have more species than the Amazon rainforest? Well, the biggest advantage of Tether is its stability. In a market as volatile as a kangaroo on a trampoline, Tether stays calm and steady. This makes it a safe haven for traders in times of market turbulence. It's like the comforting hot cocoa on a stormy night. Another major advantage of Tether is that it serves as a bridge between crypto and fiat currencies. Remember our friend who introduces you to cool indie bands? Well, Tether is that friend for your money. It allows you to move your funds from the traditional world of fiat into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, and vice versa. Lastly, Tether is widely accepted for transactions and remittances. From Africa to East Asia, the world of remittance is fast becoming engulfed in a seemingly unstoppable wave of Tether encroachment. USDT, due to its fluidity, immunity from cross-border bureaucratic red tape, fast transaction speeds, and cheap fees, has become the money of choice for huge swathes of populations in the diaspora, especially in places where financial infrastructure still remains fragile. USDT has been a breath of fresh air as it allows people to send money to their families within seconds. Controversies and challenges. Every good story has them, and Tether is no exception. In fact, if Tether were a movie, it would probably win an Oscar for Best Drama, but let's dive into the details. One of the biggest controversies surrounding Tether has been about its reserve backing. You see, for each Tether token, there's supposed to be $1 held in reserve, but over the years, there have been concerns about whether this is actually the case. Remember when your mom used to take your money when you were a child to help you save your money? The controversy around Tether's reserves is similar. You always had your doubt if that money is truly being saved, but you kind of really just trust your mom to do the right thing by you nonetheless. Tether has faced legal issues regarding its reserve status, although it is important to state that Tether Limited has always denied any accusations of impropriety and has over the years done several activities to prove that USDT holders' money is truly there and in safe hands. But it's safe to say that this cookie jar saga has added a dash of intrigue to Tether's story. Alright, let's leave the past behind and look at the recent developments and the future of Tether, because the world of Tether never stands still. Recently, Tether minted a whopping 1 billion USDT tokens worth over $1 billion. That's enough to buy a lifetime supply of your favorite snack for the entire population of a small country. According to Tether's CTO, these tokens were minted as inventory for future issuances and chain swaps. Tether's financial performance has also been impressive. They reported a $700 million profit for Q4 in 2022 and projected their excess reserve would increase by another $700 million in Q1 of 2023. Furthermore, Tether's user adoption seems to be on the rise, with the number of USDT addresses crossing 30 million for the first time. So, despite the controversies and challenges, Tether is making strides and continues to play a significant role in the cryptocurrency market. It's like the phoenix that rises from the ashes, resilient, powerful, and full of potential. Our video will not be completed without taking a look at what makes Tether among the top 3 most influential cryptos in existence. 1. Tether provides liquidity to the cryptocurrency market. This means that it helps to keep the financial gears turning smoothly. It's like the oil in your car's engine, preventing any unwanted hiccups. Secondly, while you can trade Bitcoin for Ether or some other token, most crypto users prefer to weigh their cryptos against a stable entity which they can easily quantify, making Tether an all-important ingredient in the crypto trading ecosystem. Moreover, in times of market volatility, traders often convert their holdings into Tether as a safe haven. It's the financial equivalent of taking shelter from a rainstorm under a sturdy tree. Well folks, we've been on quite a journey, haven't we? From understanding what Tether is, to how it works, its advantages, controversies, and impact on the market, we've covered it all. It's like we've just finished an epic season finale of our favorite show, and we're eager for the next one. Finally, if you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends who might also be interested in Tether, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. You know what they say, sharing is caring. Thanks again for watching this episode of Tech3 Foundation. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next one.